Waka! Is this playing? I don't see nothing. Oh, it is going. Welcome to the Curly Express. Dwight here. I have a mail call. I have a double mail call. Two mail calls. Double, double, double. Double, double, double. So, look what's sitting on the track. So I bought this here. This is going to be kind of a long video. You guys can watch it or not. So I bought this here little Santa Fe engine for one reason only. It doesn't have sound. I noticed the light don't work. I already had one once, and it's not working. You buy them cheap on eBay. So I bought it because I got all these other shells. I got that new one there. I don't know if you can even see it. Am I too close? I don't know. Yeah, you can see them. So I got all these shells. This is the first one. This is the one I 3D printed. So this is all will fit on this engine after I take that shell off. Then I got the what's that called? I forgot. River transfer shell. I bought that. It was used to look like that one there, but I stripped it down and painted it. Got that from, as for Heath. River transfer. And then I bought another shell, and I was painting that up to look like the military, for the military training. And that's when I found out that Santa Fe I bought a couple of years ago stopped working. So I bought, I just got it today. And it works. And pull this forward a little, and look what I got. Everybody said, what the heck is that? That is pretty interesting. I got that from, I get to be a tester. I'm a tester. This is from Liz and her husband Eric. He designed this track cleaning car, and it's pretty neat. It pulls great, but I don't know if it hasn't derailed. See, I'll run it right now. It doesn't derail, and it pulls around really good. And I thought maybe it would be too light on the light side, but it seems to be fine. So I got this here. Boy, they're planning on selling these, and came in this professional box, all packaged nicely. They had this all wall planned out. I hope that ain't blurry again. And it fits in this little box nicely. It has instructions how to use it. It says that just place the car on the track. Now this is just a little wooden piece here. I already ran it. Look how dirty my track was. I didn't bring my drink in here. And just enough cleaning solution to dampen the cloth. I think that cloth is, them blue shop rags or blue, you know, the kind you can just, you know, throw away, use, or blue, they come in a box with 100 or so in it. That's what they look like. So it's just a block of wood, and I used my CRC 226 on it, so I'm gonna spray a little more because I ran a dry one on there. Before I do that, I'll show you a little bit of the car. So they got like a metal weight right here and a metal weight right there. Couplers, metal wheels, which is nice. The frame is interesting. See, lightweight, but you know they got the weight there, and I think he must got it, you know, just perfect. Off the tracks itself, it rolls really freely, really smooth rolling. And okay, so I got the stuff on here. You just drop that down in there, and you hook it up to the car engine. And what else is it just says place. They gave extra professionally. This is just professional. They got this little plastic bag here with extra padding, and I really think it's the shop rag. But you know, she'll comment in the video of what it really is. But I really think it's that shop rag, you know, stuff. Cause it's pretty strong. The shop rag stuff you can buy. It's stronger than this regular paper towel, I would think. And it came in all wrapped in this nice plastic bag. And, well, I got a thank you card for my support for her. She needs to make some stickers. Maybe talk her into making some professional stickers too. Send them out to everybody, like we all have. It's really not. I really like the car so far. They said place wrap wooden block into the cradle of the clean. Ensure that the direction cloth is wrapped. Matches direction car will travel on track to avoid. Oh, I know what she's saying. They're referring to that, you know, where, see, there's the end of the towel. Actually, I've been flipping it all around. You see where I already ran it. Hold on a minute. It came loose. I don't know if there's a way to, oh, it came off. Hang on a minute. I could probably, flip that and, use the other side. I think it's different. It's different. Well, there. I'll just go like that. I won't care if it's, you know, hanging like that. So let's run it around again. Oh, my train stopped. Now what? Oh, that's me. You know how that goes. Probably different. or something. Hold on a minute. I'm back. It just derailed the engine. I stuck it on the outside track. I'm going to move these cars. This is going to be a long thing here. Oh well. I have to make a long video once in a while. I would think you can probably hook the track clean car with your other box cars and run it all together, I would think. I see nothing wrong with that. Oh shoot. Ay, 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 ay. Alright. I got that. Ooh, that didn't take long. Oh, now I bragged about it. Now it derails. Why would you do that? Oh, come on, stop, 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 stop. Alright. Shouldn't brag. Never brag. Alright, give me a minute. Just, oh man, I lost a block of wood. You all understand now, huh? How come I'm so far close? I don't know why you're so close. I'm the person that's testing this thing. Been good so far. They're not free. I'm not sure what they're going to be selling them for. But I'm just a tester. And they want me to tell them what needs to be improved. And we'll see how that goes. Alright. I'm never going to get this here thing to download. Too long. I haven't even cleaned the outside track yet. Or tried to. I might have to put a new cloth on that. Alright. I gotta. This is a long video. Wait a minute. Alright, I gotta pause. I might be done. Alright, I'm back. Alright, so I'm running that thing on outside track now. Here it comes. Boom. There it goes. Alright, so that's my mail call. So I get to play with the new design and let the Liz know if it needs to be improvement, what needs to be changed. It seems to run really good, smooth. Um, they do have metal wheels on there, some decent couplers. Um, it seems nice. So I just ran this around the outside track for the first time, and let's see what the rag looks like. There it is, dirty. I haven't really run anything on my track in a while. It's only on this side. This is on the inside track. This is the outside track. Alright. That's it. That's my mail call. My 2 items. Don't forget to subscribe to Liz. I know most of you have, but there's other people never have. And she's building a really nice layout, and her husband's designing these track clean cars and everything. They're great. She is a great supporter. I see her comment. She comments on a lot of people's videos. You should give her back and watch her videos and give her thumbs up and ding her bell. Sorry. And support her. She's supporting you. Support her. And I will leave her link to her channel down below. Alright guys, catch y'all later. Thank you. Ding that bell, thumbs up. Catch y'all later.